5 reasons to choose a career as an advanced medical coder. Are you interested in a future as an advanced medical coder? Here are 5 reasons to choose this career path. Higher earning potential. Advanced coders often earn significantly more due to their specialized knowledge and certifications in roles like Certified Coding Specialist or Certified Professional Coder. Specialization opportunities. Advanced coders can focus on complex medical fields like cardiology, oncology, or neurosurgery, which require expertise and offer greater professional prestige. Increased job security. Advanced coding skills are in high demand as healthcare systems increasingly rely on specialized coding to ensure compliance with regulations and maximize reimbursements. Leadership and mentorship roles. Advanced coders often take on responsibilities like training junior coders, performing audits, or leading coding teams, enhancing career growth and satisfaction. Broader career paths. Expertise in advanced coding can open doors and expand career horizons to roles like coding educator, coding management staff, consultant, compliance officer, or healthcare data analyst. Reynolds offers online classes. Learn at your convenience with online classes that provide the flexibility you need to balance your studies with your existing commitments. Reynolds offers experienced instructors. Study with seasoned professionals who have real-world experience in healthcare management, coding, and quality assurance. Reynolds offers financial assistance. Reynolds can help cover tuition. Our G3 tuition assistance can help remove the financial barrier of going to college. The Advanced Medical Coder program at Reynolds positions you for success in the dynamic and in-demand field of healthcare management. Invest in your future and advance your career with this fast-growing segment of health information management.